Hello? Okay, yes, we commencing 22nd April analysis. So let's go with the monthly chart real quick. So just want to show you the drawn liquidity there. Like I said before, 3 months quarterly high. Even if we're going to go lower in this quarter, the counterparty for that would rest here just above this high. And that also beautifully would take us into, if I just go lower on the monthly, you have the fair value gap CB here, weekly CB here as well, not to mention the relatively equal highs here. So that's perfect for counterparty. Right now we're using that as a draw. We don't care if it's gonna act as a reversal or if it's gonna keep digging into this premium CB here. We do not, that's none of our concern. We can just aim at this at the short term and still be profitable and be wrong on the overall idea that it's gonna go higher and it ends up actually going lower. That's none of our concern. So in a nutshell, just to kind of summarize it, I'm looking at risk off, okay? So EU lower, the DXY higher. Now, it makes sense that we had a large expansion, that the last week was a little bit slow, lackluster, not really much movement going on, as you can see here compared to this. You know, that was just market basically on a higher time frame, just slowing down just to reaccumulate and to get ready for the next leg up of the move, okay? Now, I think this week is actually going to be a lot of movement. Monday, obviously, we do not have anything here. But yeah, Tuesday onwards, I think every single day almost you have news. You got durable goods. But at least it's news that, you know, that's not going to be crazy like, you know, rips like NFP and CPI, non-farm payroll. None of that, at least. So this one's all just going to be about, if it's easy, okay, if it's really clear, yes, like always we engage if it's really clear only. Obviously, if it's 50-50, you got a fair value gap premium, you got a discount fair value gap, or liquidity premium or discount liquidity, and you're confused which one is going to be the first one to go, and now you're not sure what the drawn liquidity can be used as. Is it a short trade? Is it a long trade? Then that's obviously where you just sit on your hands and just do nothing basically and wait for the next time to come in. Next time element, what's that? That's a session. What else? That's news as well. Those two are the main things that will cause it to go up or down. If you're not sure if it's going to be hitting the premium or the discount, just let the time do its thing. So just hold on, let it hit one of them, and then see, is it now likely to reverse and go hit the other one, or is it likely to just continue in that same direction? So, you know, waiting, that's where the waiting part will come in. Now, short-term wise, you got this premium fair value gap and a you know, VI volume imbalance here, a combo of both of these. For support, for this long idea, you know, my bullish analysis on dollar, for this to continue going up and at least hit this target, what can we use for support then? Well, we can use this daily fair value gap. We may even find support here. You've already seen that the consequential encroachment of this daily wick, which is 81, sorry, 83, I mean, the low of that is at 981. You already see DXY finding support. As we know, DXY is really sensitive to the, I've noticed in my personal study, the consequential encroachments of the weekly wicks and the daily wicks. It's really sensitive to them. I've seen key reversals a lot of the time often tend to happen here. But the question is, would it be able to get past this? Because the normal profile goes as follows. We expect counterparty. So if it's going to go up, then the counterparty comes in early week, Monday leading up to Tuesday, sometimes even going into Wednesday, early Wednesday or late Wednesday. So normally, it's, you know, typical week, I would expect it to go down, maybe find support here or here, and then just go up. You know, ideally we do not want a body closing below this for our bullish idea to continue. But right now we can see it's just opened up. It's, you know, it's going up. I mean, anything would happen from here. It could just plunge down to go up later, or not plunge down and just keep going up. So it's gonna be a wait and see for now for me. Okay, unless I see something that I can scalp at least and it's really clear, I can just kind of quickly get in and out. Maybe then I'll engage it, but a lot of it's just simply just wait and see. That's it. I'm not like engaging it heavily right now. And then of course, just real quick, just a macro perspective of the euro. If this goes up and hits this weekly high, then this low is your aim, your drawn liquidity for the week to go here, I would imagine. And support wise, you have the 4 hour CB, or the daily CB as well. Or if it really goes up, then you have the monthly inversion here, which I personally don't think it's going to go all the way up there, but you just got to be ready for anything sometimes. So look out for that as well. And yeah, just wait for news, like I said. And the biggest thing is, if you enter something, do not break the rules, please. Okay, rules are what keep us in the game. In terms of high probability, I'm really happy. I tend to now pick out the times when it's high probability and engage that, and that's already seeing me trade less, take less stress as a result, and then just analyze more, review more, less trades, so more time per trade to review, which is always good, and just be better. So wait and see if it's high probability, engage. If you don't engage, guess what? It's just a free trade that you can read and study. Okay, so good luck.